Growing lettuce in hydroponics is an exciting journey that combines science and gardening. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to select the right type of lettuce. Varieties like butterhead, romaine, and leaf lettuce thrive in hydroponic systems. They grow quickly and are perfect for beginners. Once you've chosen your lettuce, it's time to gather your materials. You'll need a hydroponic system. This could be a nutrient film technique, deep water culture, or even a simple cracky method setup. Each has its benefits, but for starters, I recommend the cracky method because it's easy and requires minimal equipment. Next, let's talk about the growing medium. Rock wool is a popular choice because it retains moisture while allowing for good aeration. You can also use clay pellets or coconut coir. Whichever medium you choose, make sure it's clean and sterile to prevent any diseases. Now it's time to germinate your seeds. Fill your growing trays with your chosen medium, then plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep. Mist them lightly with water and cover them with a humidity dome or plastic wrap to retain moisture. Keep them in a warm, well-lit area. In about 5 to 10 days, you should see those little green sprouts emerging. Once your seedlings are about 2 inches tall, it's time to transfer them to your hydroponic system. If you're using the cracky method, simply place the seedlings in net pots filled with your growing medium and set them in your nutrient solution. Make sure the bottom of the pots is submerged in the water, but the seedlings themselves should be above the waterline to avoid rot. Speaking of nutrient solutions, let's discuss that. You'll need a balanced hydroponic nutrient solution that contains essential macro and micronutrients. Follow the instructions on the package for mixing, and remember to check the pH level. Lettuce prefers a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Adjust it as necessary using pH up or down solutions. Light is crucial for your lettuce to thrive. If you're growing indoors, consider using LED grow lights. Position them about 12 to 18 inches above your plants and keep them on for 14 to 16 hours a day. If you're growing outdoors, make sure your lettuce gets plenty of indirect sunlight. As your lettuce grows, monitor the water level in your system. In the cracky method, the water level will drop as the plants absorb it, so top it off as needed. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, but with hydroponics, you'll find that issues are less common. Just maintain good hygiene and airflow around your plants. In about 4 to 6 weeks, your lettuce will be ready for harvest. You can either cut the leaves as needed or harvest the entire plant. If you cut the leaves, be sure to leave some behind for regrowth. Hydroponic lettuce is not only delicious, but also a fun and rewarding project. You'll enjoy fresh, crisp salads right from your own home, and you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you grew it yourself. So roll up your sleeves and get started on your hydroponic lettuce adventure.